Dinosaurs were some of the most fascinating creatures to ever walk the Earth, dominating the planet for more than 165 million years. Their story spans three major periods: the Triassic, when the first dinosaurs appeared; the Jurassic, when they grew larger and more diverse; and the Cretaceous, when they reached their peak and spread across every continent. Each period had unique species, environments, and challenges that shaped these incredible creatures into the rulers of their world. Among the most famous dinosaurs is Tyrannosaurus Rex, an apex predator of the late Cretaceous. Growing up to 40 feet long with teeth as sharp as knives, T-Rex had one of the strongest bites in history, capable of crushing bone with ease. Yet, despite its fearsome appearance, T-Rex had tiny arms that seemed almost comically small. Scientists still debate their purpose, whether they were used for holding prey, assisting in balance, or just evolutionary leftovers. But these little arms add to its mystery. Its rival was Triceratops, a massive herbivore armed with 3 long horns and a bony frill protecting its neck. Fossil evidence suggests that these two may have clashed in dramatic battles, with Triceratops charging like a horned tank at one of history's most powerful predators. While T-Rex was all power and aggression, Triceratops relied on defense and strategy to survive in the same dangerous world. Then there's the Velociraptor, a dinosaur far smaller than Hollywood portrays, about the size of a turkey, but intelligent, fast, and deadly. Velociraptors hunted in packs, communicated with one another, and used a sharp curved claw on each foot to slash prey with precision. Their small size didn't make them weak. It made them efficient, agile hunters that could outsmart much larger animals. On the other end of the scale, Brachiosaurus was one of the tallest dinosaurs ever discovered. With its long neck reaching high into the treetops, it could eat leaves that no other animal could access. Despite its massive size, sometimes weighing as much as 30 elephants combined, Brachiosaurus was a gentle giant, spending its days peacefully grazing in the forests of the Jurassic period. Stegosaurus was a different kind of marvel, with large, plate-like bones running along its back and a spiked tail called a thagomizer. The plates may have been used for display, thermoregulation, or intimidation, but the tail was the real weapon, capable of delivering powerful swings to deter predators. Slow-moving but well-defended, Stegosaurus thrived by combining protection with strategic defense. Then there's Spinosaurus, often called the river monster. Longer than T-Rex and adapted for a semi-aquatic life, Spinosaurus hunted fish and other prey in rivers and lakes. Its crocodile-like snout and massive sail made it one of the most unusual and dangerous predators of its time, perfectly designed to dominate both land and water. Ankylosaurus, on the other hand, was the living tank of the dinosaur world. Completely covered in thick armor plates and equipped with a heavy club at the end of its tail, Ankylosaurus could defend itself against almost any predator. Speed wasn't necessary when your body was essentially a moving fortress. Dinosaurs lived in a world very different from ours, hotter, greener, and filled with giant plants and forests. Some traveled in herds, while others were solitary hunters. Some grazed peacefully, while others constantly hunted to survive. Their world was competitive, dynamic, and full of challenges that pushed each species to adapt or perish. Then, around 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck the Earth, releasing energy far beyond any human weapon and changing the climate dramatically. Plants died, temperatures dropped, and the food chain collapsed. One by one, the mighty dinosaurs disappeared from the planet they had ruled for millions of years. Yet, not all dinosaurs vanished. Some evolved into the birds we see today. That means when you watch a bird fly past your window, you're looking at a distant descendant of the creatures that once ruled the Earth. Dinosaurs weren't just giant reptiles. They were complex, intelligent, and perfectly adapted rulers of their world. Their fossils tell stories of power, beauty, and evolution, and we are only beginning to uncover their secrets. If you enjoyed this journey into the prehistoric world, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what topic you want me to explore next. I can't wait to bring more amazing stories to life for you.